Yeah, man, this coronavirus shit, man, it's more serious than I thought, my nigga. I thought that shit was just in China, bro. That shit ain't no fucking joke. They canceled the NBA, all kinds of shit.
That ass, my nigga, I was supposed to go to the fucking Millennium Tour with my damn bitch. Like, this fucking corona shit fucking up everything, nigga. Like,
Hurry
yeah.
the fuck up, bro. Like, and I went to the store earlier for my mom and shit. You know, she be tripping on me and whatnot, man. I went to go get her some hand sanitizer because, you know, she ain't trying to get sick and shit. So, you know, every store I fucking went to, even the small little dollar spots, man, nobody had no hand sanitizer, man. That shit become like crack.
Like, ain't these niggas supposed to have like an abundance of this shit in case some dumb shit like this happen? Like, the fuck
Word
wrong
the fuck
with these
up,
stores,
bro. These
my
niggas
nigga,
is
like,
fucking,
that ass.
yeah, these niggas are fucking up, but that's all my mama, nigga. The next nigga I see, hand sanitizer, man, I'm running down that nigga, man. Word the fuck up.
Yo, Pete, this nigga got hand sanitizer.
Oh, this motherfucker must think shit sweet out here. We better get that nigga.
Yeah,
fuck that.
We gonna get this nigga. We gonna sanitize ourselves.
Word the fuck up. Coronavirus my ass. Hey, yo, Peanut Head, on your hand sanitizer.
What's up, nigga? God, I got no money.
Nigga, we don't want your money. We want your hand sanitizer.
Coronavirus!
Yo, come on, man. Yo, man. Come on, man. Nigga, I need some hand sanitizer, man. Look at you sneezing in my hand, man. I don't want to get the coronavirus, bro. What the fuck you looking at, man? I ain't trying to get sick. Come on, bro. Let me get some hand sanitizer, man. Please give me some hand sanitizer. Come on.
Hand sanitizer? Nigga, that's all you could have said.
Shit, thank you, man. I appreciate it, bro. I don't want to get sick, man. This shit's serious out here, man. This shit killing niggas and shit, man. I ain't trying to die, man. I got 4 girlfriends. I got a wife on the side. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Thanks, man. Yeah, man. Yo, nigga was type cool, man.
Yo, you a bitch, nigga. Say your line, nigga.
Yo, it's dead recorded.
My line,
Stop.
Y'all not dead ass, are y'all? Y'all supposed to be
Stop recording.
These retarded people.
You recorded that?
She
Yep.
did. Yeah, she did.
Bloopers!
Get that part.
Okay, stop recording. Okay, stop. You're not recording, were you?
I was
No.
on action.
We gonna get this nigga something. We gonna sanitize
Nope,
ourselves.
do it again.
Action.
Hey, yeah, dark and lovely. What's up, bro?